Hi, welcome to Hardware's for channel, dear viewers. In front of me, REDMI Pad SE 2023, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. Firstly, remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old brush which you no longer use. So firstly, we need to insert one part of the brush into the connector, it's very important, and then just pry the dirt out the port. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.